my notes. Happy New Year to all my fellow plastic crack addicts. It is I, Chris, the Rogue Painter, which until very recently was kind of a bit of a tongue-in-cheek name because I had hardly painted anything and really just spent the last year and a half building models, kit bashing, and doing anything I could to avoid finishing painting my army. I recently committed to putting out fortnightly long-form videos, which has gone quite well so far, and I really appreciate all the support and the hype I've had on the videos. And this fortnight's edition, just a bit of a quickie to talk about what's going on in my life, what's happening with the channel, upcoming projects and videos for the channel, and finishing off with what I've done in 2025, or rather what models I've actually painted. Just quickly, we've just moved into our newly built home, which has been amazing, and this year has been so crazy. Like, we've had a newborn pretty recently, moving house, moving into our new build, and lots of other things going on in addition to trying to put out more frequent and better quality content. And because of this move, I've obviously had to remodel my work/editing space and my hobby space. And throughout the past couple of weeks preparing for and executing the move, I've really been in limbo with my hobby work, and I have really got nothing done besides putting together a box of 3 Nurglings. So I feel like, 1, for mental health, and 2, for the channel's sake, I really need to get back into some proper hobby time and slapping on some paint. That's pretty much what's been going on with me personally in life. And things have been going great with the channel, been exceeding my expectations. Like I said, I really appreciate the support. I'm in no way making it into the big time yet, and I certainly do not expect it. But yeah, over the next 3 months on YouTube, I would love to get to 1,000 subs, and I don't think I'll get monetized in that time. I'll need a lot more watch hours unless things really take off, which, you know, obviously can happen if something just randomly goes viral, but I'm not counting on it. So yeah, I'm gonna have to have a bit of a think about what a realistic time frame is for that and how I'm gonna get to that goal. But let's say maybe 6 months time. I hope I'm in focus. And I plan to get to this goal by just continuing to put out regular content. I'm obviously putting more of a focus on long form content now, which is always the goal. I'm going to be doing a video every second Thursday, 7:30 p.m. Adelaide time. I've been working on things like SEO, my thumbnails, trying to build a bit of a brand identity. And I certainly am going to be working hard on putting out better and better quality content, both in regards to production and editing, but also, most importantly, the actual content and the delivery of the content itself. So putting out things that are actually interesting or useful, entertaining, of course, and most importantly, things that I want to do, because if I'm going to be putting out content that I'm not passionate about, then what's the point of this? So as for what projects I've got coming up, and hence what videos are coming up on the channel, I do have plans to kit batch a Slaanesh Winged Demon Prince, which I'm very excited about. It's going to be using that Kill Team Blood and Zeal statue, and some Demon Prince wings, which were kindly donated to me by a member of the friendly local game store that I play at, Chaotic Kraken. So big thanks to Luke, who donated them to me recently. I'm also going to be kit bashing a Slaanesh Land Raider. And because this channel is the Rogue Painter after all, I have some actual painting videos planned, like another Combat Patrol challenge, which may have a special guest involved, so stay tuned for that. That one should be happening fairly soon. I'm going to paint my 40k terrain, more stuff on my Raven Guard army progress. I'm just finalizing how I'm going to go about this, but I need to paint like over 2,000 points of my Chaos army that have either sat completely unprimed or just primed for way too long. So I don't know. I think to attempt that with my level of experience, to attempt to do that in like a 12-hour challenge might be pushing it. So yeah, stay tuned for that one. 2,000 point speed painting army challenge. I also want to do some videos on my first experience with green stuff, which I have started recording. And also another video I really want to do is the best kits to kit bash or convert certain armies. There'll be no prizes as to what the first factions or armies will be about though. Final item on the agenda is to showcase what I've actually done this year, all the things that I've painted more close to completion. I think I definitely have a habit of half doing, or like even 90% doing things and then just leaving them and moving on to something else. It's probably something to do with ADHD, I don't know, but I definitely haven't painted as much as I would have liked in 2025. Like I said, for a channel called The Rogue Painter, I sure as hell have done fairly little amount of painting and a whole lot of procrastinating, building, and kit bashing, but, you know, the channel was not called The Rogue Kit Basher. It is indeed the Rogue Painter. So, you know, I've been trying to live up to my name a little bit more in this tail end of the year, and certainly we'll be doing more and more in 2026 and beyond. But the models that I have painted this year have been a lot of fun and I've got a lot of enjoyment out of. And even the stuff that I've half painted or less than half painted, like a lot of my Chaos models, have really helped me build confidence and develop as a painter. Average, intermediate, whatever, I don't know. I wouldn't call myself a beginner anymore, but I feel wrong calling myself a beginner now, but I'm certainly not that good. I need to work on a lot of techniques and put down a lot more paint onto plastic in order to get the repetitions in to earn the skill level and the results that I really want. And that was the whole point of the inception of this channel, was to share like my raw, honest journey from being a total beginner to something slightly less than beginner. And eventually in years to come, if you're still following my journey, then hopefully I'll be absolutely amazing. But you know, we've got a lot of work to do between now and then in order to make that happen. But yeah, that's pretty much it. So with that, I'll leave you to enjoy the start of your new year. I hope you got some Warhammer or hobby related presents for Christmas and had some time to do some hobby work or squeeze in some games if you had some time off over this period. But I really want to say thank you all so much to those of you who went a little bit rogue in 2025. And I really look forward to bringing you more entertainment and beginner friendly hobby tips in 2026. Cheers.